Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make rock candy. First, gather your essential ingredients and tools. You will need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and a clean glass jar. Also, prepare a string or a small wooden skewer, which will serve as the foundation for your crystals. Remember, cleanliness is key to successful crystal formation, so ensure all your equipment is spotless before you begin. Next, we create the supersaturated sugar solution. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of sugar with 1 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring continuously. Your goal is to dissolve every single sugar crystal without boiling the water. The solution should become perfectly clear and transparent, indicating that the sugar has fully integrated into the water, forming a concentrated base for your candy. Now, let's prepare for crystal growth. Take your string or skewer and dip it into the hot sugar solution, then allow it to dry completely. This step creates tiny seed crystals, providing a starting point for larger formations. Once dry, carefully suspend the string or skewer into your cooled sugar solution in the glass jar, ensuring it does not touch the bottom or sides. Cover the jar loosely to prevent dust. Finally, the most important ingredient is patience. Place your jar in a quiet, undisturbed spot where it can remain still for at least 1 week. Over the next 7 to 14 days, you will observe the fascinating process of sugar crystals forming and growing on your string or skewer. Once your rock candy has reached your desired size, carefully remove it from the solution and allow it to air dry completely before enjoying your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.